Hello lovely people. It's been a while. Hope you are having a great time. Today, we bring your way a presentation on an incredible 4-bedroom design. Please stay tuned and enjoy the video. The layout of the ground floor plan with its floor areas are as follows. There are 2 terraces, one at the front and the other at the back. A living room which is spacious and designed with the choicest materials and finishes. An open kitchen and dining. A well-designed master bedroom which comes with a closet. 3 other bedrooms of which 2 are suites. Three washrooms and a corridor for easy passage. The building has 4 bedrooms and 3 washrooms. The building has an area of 307 square meters with an expected construction cost of $95,170. This spacious and modern 4-bedroom house plan is the ideal choice for a medium-sized family. Its elegant finish lives up to today's design standards. There is a symbiotic blend of the beautiful indoors and great outdoors. It has an outdoor sitting which is comfortable and perfect for hosting family and friends. Walkthrough. Living room. This is a thoughtfully designed contemporary space. It embodies all the needs of a modern living room. The burnt brick walling gives a beautiful finish to a section of the space. Walkthrough. Open kitchen and dining. The design is based on a mixture of traditional African architecture and contemporary open plans. The kitchen has an island which offers an eating area. Provision has also been made for laundry and a family sitting area. Walkthrough. Outdoor sitting. This outdoor space is relaxing and give residents the opportunity to admire nature and everything that comes with it. Walkthrough, master's bedroom. Walkthrough, master's washroom. Walkthrough, bedroom 2 with its washroom. Walkthrough, bedroom 3 and 4. These two bedrooms have the same room size, but bedroom 3 has its own washroom, whereas bedroom 4 uses the shared washroom. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly click on the videos on your screen to watch other amazing videos on this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.